Are you wondering how to use WhatsApp on a computer or a laptop? Even if you have a Mac, the process is the same. First of all, you will have to open an internet browser like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Safari if it's a Mac. And once you have opened that, you have to search for WhatsApp, just that in the search bar. And this should be the first result. The address is whatsapp.com. Now in the upper right corner you will find WhatsApp web. I'll press here, and here you will find the QR code that you will have to scan either with your Android or with your iPhone on which you have the WhatsApp app installed. And I will show you on both, on Android and iPhone, where you can find that to scan this on your computer. So once you have opened this page, just let it be. And now I will move on my iPhone and on my Android to show you where you can find the QR code on the app to scan it. So let's move forward. I will start with the Android first. I know this will be a different language, but the buttons are the same. So this is an Android phone. I will press on these dots from the upper right corner and hit the third one. This means linked devices. And I will associate a new device. I will hit this green button, and the phone is telling me to put my fingerprint. Then I will be able to scan it, but it's not my phone and I can put my fingerprint. So yeah, after you'll put your fingerprint, either your code, you can scan this right away. But let's move on my iPhone because that's my phone and I will be able to scan. All right, this is the iPhone. I will just open the WhatsApp app, and now you will find here the settings on the bottom right corner here, and here you'll find link device. So let's hit that, link a new device, and okay, and this is how the Android should also look like, but I don't have the code or the fingerprint. That was a borrowed phone. And this is the address where I guided you on the computer at the beginning, and now I will just have to scan that QR code. It says login in, and I just open the WhatsApp on the computer. You can use it as you can do that on your phone. So that being said, this is the tutorial how to use WhatsApp on a computer or a laptop. I really hope I help you with this tutorial. If I help you, don't forget to smash the like button and leave any comments down below in the comment section if you have any questions. Have a great day.